Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use melatonin gummies. To begin, start with a low dose, usually 1 to 3 milligrams, about 30 minutes before you plan to sleep. It is always wise to speak with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions. For the best results, try to take your melatonin gummy at the same time every single night, establishing a consistent sleep schedule. For optimal results, take your melatonin gummy about 30 to 60 minutes before you intend to fall asleep. This allows the supplement sufficient time to begin working. Furthermore, creating an ideal sleep environment is crucial. Ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool, ideally between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, try to avoid bright screens and engaging in stimulating activities for at least 1 hour before heading to bed. While generally safe, it is important to be aware of potential side effects. Some individuals might experience mild drowsiness, dizziness, or a slight feeling of nausea the morning after taking melatonin. It is absolutely critical that you do not operate heavy machinery or drive any vehicles once you have taken your gummy. Additionally, please avoid combining melatonin with alcohol or other sedative medications, as this can intensify their effects. Knowing when to seek professional advice is very important. If you find that your sleep difficulties continue after 2 weeks of consistent melatonin use, it is a good idea to consult with a doctor. Additionally, if you experience any severe side effects or signs of an allergic reaction, please seek immediate medical attention. Remember, melatonin is generally considered a short-term aid and is not designed as a long-term solution for chronic insomnia.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.